Find a quiet space. Let your body soften. Let your breath deepen. Take a moment now to arrive. Inhale gently and exhale slowly. Bring your attention to the center of your chest, the place of your heart's wisdom, the seat of your inner knowing, your dad. Now bring to mind the phrase, Me'ayin basa, from where did you come? Let it echo inside you. Don't rush to answer. Just feel the question. You came from something that seemed low, a drop, a silence, a place unformed. But in that drop was everything. The stone, the tree, the creature, the word. Let these layers settle into your awareness. Domem, the stillness. Tzomach, the growth. Chai, the breath. Medber, the voice. All of these are in you. Now slowly whisper, Shalom Yisrael, peace upon Israel. Feel what arises. Let peace enter not by rising above, but by including everything, even the places that once felt too far. Now breathe into that knowing and whisper again, Hashem Shalom. Hashem is peace. Let the divine presence fill the space. When you feel ready, bring your hands to your heart and whisper, Da'at, knowing, Shalom, peace, Chayim, life, all one, all whole, all you. Peace is not the absence of struggle. It is the wholeness that comes from remembering every part and inviting it home. From the depths of the origin to the clarity of consciousness, to the song of the people, you are part of the harmony.